Brainy sharks.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. Hi friends, I'm Pip and she's Penny. Do you know what we call a person traveling in a car, bus, or train, but they are not the one driving? A